The daily code snippet. So far we have discussed several elements associated with forms like input, label, data list, option, text area, and button. But there are a few more elements that you should be aware of, like select, field set, legend, output, and optgroup. The select element is used for a drop-down list. A common use would be to select state for an address. In our code example, we are not including every state. However, just like option would be used in the data list element to mark your hash marks, it is used here with the select to present the different options from which users can choose. If you want an option to appear pre-selected, that is not the first item on your list, just add the selected attribute to the option you want to take on this role. The field set element is used to group related form inputs, and legend is to add the caption for that grouping. Here is an example. By using the field set element, we have grouped the inputs in a single box that the legend input lets the user know that we are seeking contact information. The output element is for when the inputs are used for a calculation that is determined by a script. This code allows a user to adjust the value of an input A using a range slider that can adjust in increments of 1 and has a minimum of 0 and a maximum of 10. The value to input B can be adjusted using a number input. These two numbers are multiplied together, so the initial value for A at 5 multiplied by the initial value of 50 for B is a total of 250. Presented by Designers Learn Code.